Welcome to the world of future technology, where we have the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, a marvel of innovation and design. This device is packed with the powerful A16 chip, a promotion display that boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and an enhanced camera system featuring night mode on all lenses. Not to mention, it's fortified with a new ceramic shield front cover, ensuring unprecedented drop performance and improved battery life. With its stunning design and impressive features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is truly a gadget lover's dream. Now let's move on to the unboxing. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. It's time to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, let's dive right into it, shall we? First things first, we gently remove the plastic wrap. Feel the crisp crinkle as it peels away, revealing the pristine white box that's classic Apple. The box, with its minimalist design and embossed iPhone image, is almost as much a work of art as the device itself. Now, onto the slow, suspenseful lifting of the box lid. It's a smooth, almost weightless process thanks to the vacuum seal. As the lid lifts, a hush falls, the anticipation building until, voila, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the star of the show, comes into view. The iPhone 15 Pro Max sits snug in its compartment, its sleek design and glossy finish begging to be admired. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We carefully lift the device and set it aside to explore what's underneath. Next comes the removal of the protective film. It's a satisfying process, peeling it away, revealing the pristine, untouched screen beneath. The film comes off in one smooth pull, leaving behind a screen that's eager to be lit up. Now, onto the accessories. Hidden beneath the device compartment, we find the usual suspects. A USB-C to Lightning cable for all your charging needs. The documentation for those who like to do things by the book. And of course, the iconic Apple stickers, all neatly packed, waiting to be used. And there you have it, a brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max ready to be set up and used. This unboxing is just the beginning of a journey with a device that promises to be a game changer. So, let's get started, shall we? Now that you've witnessed the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Are you considering making this cutting-edge gadget a part of your tech arsenal? We would love to hear your thoughts on this latest piece of Apple innovation and the unboxing experience. And if you've enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Remember, your feedback is valuable to us, so don't hesitate to drop a comment. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech content.